Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video with a mini tutorial. If you're new to this channel, my name is Brittany. I'm a licensed nail technician. I specialize in-person services and press-on nails, e-commerce, and all of that type of stuff. Here on my channel, I like to talk about anything that's nail related, whether it's reviews, tutorials, business, and so on. Okay, so as you can see, I've already unboxed a little bit of the products here. So this company, Nailwig, has reached out to me through Instagram, which was really nice. They're a woman-owned and operated business, and they have a ton of glitters, chromes, and colored pigments. So as I was taking this box out of the mailer, I felt something in the bottom, and look what it is. It's a ring. That's so cute. So that's gonna go on the mannequin later. But we're gonna go ahead and take out this glitter that looks really pretty and super reflective. So here's what it looks like. This looks so reflective, and you know what? This time of year, I love glitter. I love glitter year round, but now's the time, like holiday season, glitter is everywhere. And let me tell you, the whole time I'm taking all these glitters out and trying them out, I had glitter everywhere. I even got glitter in my eye and I had to rinse it out. But glitter's a good time no matter what. This little iridescent bag is so cute. Oh my gosh. And you can store all your stuff in here, which is great because I love little things. I will put all kinds of trinkets in my little trinket box, my little trinket bag. If you know that TikTok sounds like a box for my trinkets. Yeah, that's basically how I feel about every little container that you can put something in. Anyways, when I took everything out of the mailer, I was so surprised because I thought maybe I would receive like one or two items of like the glitter, and I did not expect this whole kit, which is so cool. And I just love the way that everything is packaged. So it comes with all of the glitters. It comes with a funnel to put the glitter back into the containers, one of these little trays that you can use to catch the glitter, or even really nice to store your rhinestones. Then you have an applicator that's good for chrome. Now we're gonna take a look at all the little bottles and see what we got. So this one right here is called Foil Effects, and it has a foil in it. This one right here is a holographic gold. This stores really nicely in there. I like that. I like all the bottles for the glitter and the chrome and the foils. On to the next one. So this is a glitter called Faded. This one is also a like golden holographic glitter. Next we have Beehive, which is a chrome. It is a like purplish chameleon type of color, as you can see here. Next we have Afro, which is a glitter. It looks like it has like burgundy, gold, dark brown, red reflex in it. Really pretty. I've never seen a glitter this color, so I like this one a lot. Okay, I'm not even going to attempt to say the name of this color, but it's a very pretty blue glitter, as you can see. Here we have Retro, which is like a teal glitter. Now I'm gonna swatch the chrome, so I'm using a black base, and I'm just gonna go in with my chrome gel top coat, and I'm going to cure that, and then I'm gonna take the chrome and just rub it into the nail, and here's what it looks like. So the nice thing about this chrome is that it comes in with a built-in application like stick, so you don't have to use your own little applicator, which is great and convenient. So with that same swatch stick, I'm just gonna go in with my foil top coat, which you will need if you're using a foil. I'm just gonna use the Macart foil transfer glue. I'm gonna cure that in the lamp, and then I'm gonna take my foil that I received, which is that gold holographic foil, and I'm just gonna lightly dab it onto the swatch stick so we can see how it looks. When using foils, they're super convenient. They're no mess, because if you use like gold flakes, you know how messy those can get. So when you're using foils, you can do a lot of fun things with it. It's super simple to use, and it looks really cool. Okay, so we're gonna take this cute new ring and put it on the mannequin's hand. I've still yet to name her. I got a bunch of names on Instagram. I really need to pick one because I'm just calling her mannequin right now. But anyways, we're gonna proceed with a little mini tutorial. So I'm just gonna go in with my extra long nail tips and cut them down to the shape and size that I want. And I'm going to be doing a soft winter nail design today. So I'm going to cut these down on the shorter end. So I'm going to use my nail cutting tool that measures out all the nails for you. It's super simple to use. It gets all of the nails the same length. I love this tool. So I'll have this link down below. You can find it in my Amazon storefront. So for this tutorial, I won't be going in with a hard gel or an acrylic application. I'm just gonna go right in with the gels that I wanna use. We're gonna pretend that we've already laid the acrylic for these nails. So I'm just using this really pretty baby blue from iGel Beauty. And I'm gonna put this on some of the nails. So I want to do an accent nail in marble. So I'm going to take the Mia Secret Blooming Gel, which is one of my favorites. The consistency is like pretty mid, I guess. So it spreads really nice. It's not like super thick, but it's also not super thin. So I do like this one a lot for doing a marble effect. So I'm just going to put this on the nail, and we do not cure this after we apply it to the nail. While the gel is still wet, we're just going to take the colors that we want to marble with. In this case, it's going to be that same like baby blue color with some white, and just going to drag it in. And as you can see, it starts to spread and give this really pretty marble effect. I'm going to go in and do the same thing to the pointer finger. I'm just going to go in with the blooming gel, add some white, the baby blue, and a little bit of that glitter. Once you have the gel applied and you got the spreading effect that you wanted, you can go ahead and put that in the lamp to cure, and then go in and top coat it. And I'm just going in and top coating all of my nails at this point because I'm not going to do any more with what we have here. I'm just going to go in on top of the top coat and add some accent with the silver holographic glitter. Now that my nails are fully sealed and cured, I'm just going to go in with the finishing touches. So I'm going to be adding some base coat to the nail, and I'm going to be drawing a snowflake that we're going to put some glitter on top. This snowflake design has to be the easiest because you just put the dots where you want the snowflakes to go out to. I don't know what you would call like the snowflake arms. I don't know what you would say, but you see what I mean here. I'm just dragging the line through. So yeah. Now that we have our snowflake drawn on, I'm just going to take the glitter and I'm going to sprinkle it on top of the wet uncured gel so we can have a nice, fun, texturized snowflake accent nail. Once that's on, we're going to put it in the lamp, cure for 60 seconds, and then take it out. Then we're just going to dust the extra glitter off the nail so we can see the design fully. And as the whole point of putting the top coat on first is because we want, number one, a 3D texturized snowflake, and also so none of the glitter sticks to the nail underneath. For the pinky, I'm just going to go with some random lines. I'm just winging it. Like, I'm not thinking about it. I'm just like, what would be cute, glittery, and wintry? These nails right here. So I'm just going to do some lines on this side, and then once again I'm just going to sprinkle the glitter on top of that top coat and then cure it. Okay, we're just going to dust this off, and here's the finished look. This is super simple to do and it's really pretty, so give it a try. Let me know what you think. But I'm just going to go ahead for the rest of the video and do a swatch of all of the glitter colors that I've received, so that way you can see which one's your favorite. And if you watch all the way to the end of the video, comment below which color is your favorite. I'd love to know. Personally, I really like all of the glitters because it's glitter. It's so pretty. But I really love this one. It's so reflective. It's so sparkly. It's perfect for Christmas and New Year's. But then also I think it's Jaded, the gold one that you'll see me do a swatch of here shortly. Super pretty, and I've been using that on a lot of my clients and they love it, and it adds a nice little flair to their nail design. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please leave a comment below and subscribe. I love to post anything about nails, like I said, and I really love to do unboxing and tutorials because I like to find really cool products, I love to use them, and I love to try out new nail designs and share them with you. Everything that I used in this video will be linked down below, so if you're interested in any of the products, feel free to check them out. Here's what all the colors look like. These are gorgeous and so sparkly. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.